This cable features 90-degree TRS stereo plugs on each end. It uses 16 Aruban fluorines stranded, pure copper conductors and employs copper braid shielding with 97.5% coverage. The plugs are gold-plated to provide smooth, corrosion-free connections as well as maximum electrical conductivity. With two separate conductors and the common shield ground, this cable can be used as an unbalanced stereo patch cable or as a balanced mono patch cable. Quality at a fair price. Monoprice's rugged design and rigid quality control standards deliver high-quality products at fair prices. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite cable. I've bought several from this manufacturer and they are awesome. Very well made, good sound, excellent price. I was looking for a left angle cable but settled for a 90-degree angle cable instead. Just the right length for my amp and cab. Does the job and works as it should. What can I say? It's a cable. FYI, I am not getting paid for this product endorsement.